Here is a step-by-step guide to build your maintenance guide. Step 1. Begin with a thorough lubrication survey to identify all lubrication points and establish baseline conditions. Step 2. Utilize oil analysis to monitor lubricant health and detect early signs of wear. Step 3. Develop a lubrication schedule based on equipment criticality and OEM recommendations. Step 4. Implement stringent lubricant storage and handling procedures to prevent contamination. Step 5. Invest in continuous training for your maintenance team to foster a culture of lubrication excellence. Step 6. Adopt condition-based maintenance techniques to shift from reactive to proactive maintenance. With AI and IoT, maintenance is becoming more predictive and data-driven, optimizing asset performance and minimizing downtime. Empower your team with a customized maintenance guide rooted in lubrication best practices to keep your operations running at peak efficiency. Build your lubrication-focused maintenance guide today.